Today we're going to dive into an exciting brain exercise that will challenge you and put modern artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT-4, to the test. We'll see if it can solve an intriguing geometric problem that seems simple at first glance, but has a clever twist. Let's begin by creating our illustration. I'm drawing two parallel, let's call this one line A, and here I'm adding line B parallel to A. Now I'm intersecting these parallel lines with two additional lines, creating an interesting configuration of angles. Let's take a closer look at these angles and measure them carefully. First, we'll use our trusty protractor to measure this angle here. As I align the protractor, there we go, we can see it measures exactly 65 degrees. Take note of this measurement, as it will be crucial for solving our problem. Moving on to the next angle, let's position our protractor once again. This time, as I carefully measure, interesting, we find that this angle is significantly larger, measuring precisely 140 degrees. Both of these measurements will play key roles in our problem-solving process. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Do you see this distant angle I'm pointing to? Let's mark it and call it angle alpha. I'm writing it in red to make it stand out. This angle alpha is our target. Our challenge today is to determine its measure using the information we've gathered and the geometric principles at play. I'll give you a moment to ponder this. Can you see a way to find angle alpha using just the information we have? It's not as straightforward as it might seem at first. To ensure we have the correct answer to compare with our calculations, let's go ahead and measure angle alpha directly. I'm positioning the protractor now, and we find that angle alpha measures 155 degrees. Keep this in mind as we proceed with our problem-solving approach. Now, the question is, how can we solve this problem geometrically without direct measurement? There's a clever trick involved that might not be immediately obvious. This is where we'll turn to our AI assistant for help. Let's put ChatGPT-4 to the test. We'll take a clear photo of our illustration and send it to our favorite chatbot. Our question to ChatGPT-4 will be, can you solve this problem and find the measure of angle alpha, given that lines A and B are parallel? Here's the picture for your analysis. Let's see how ChatGPT-4 approaches this intriguing geometry problem. We need to find the value of angle alpha. First, let's recap the measurements we took with our protractor. We have one angle that measures 65 degrees and another that measures 140 degrees. Now we'll see how ChatGPT-4 suggests solving the problem. ChatGPT-4 analyzed the image and proposed a solution determining angle alpha to be 75 degrees. Haha, do you see that? It doesn't match what we measured earlier with the protractor. We know the correct answer should be 155 degrees, so ChatGPT-4 has made a mistake here. Now, let's explore an interesting way to solve this geometrically. I'll give you another moment to think about it. Can you figure out a clever approach? Okay, here's the solution. Notice that we have two parallel lines, line A and line B. Now watch closely as I add a third parallel line. I'm using a red pen to draw this line through the vertex of the 65-degree angle we measured earlier. This new red line is parallel to both line A and line B. By doing this, we can see that the 140 degrees angle is supplementary to an adjacent angle, which means they add up to 180 degrees. Subtracting 140 degrees from 180 degrees gives us 40 degrees. This 40 degrees angle is also part of the 65 degrees angle we measured earlier. So if we subtract 40 degrees from 65 degrees, we get 25 degrees. Now, angle alpha is supplementary to this 25 degrees angle, meaning they add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle alpha is 180 degrees minus 25 degrees, which equals 155 degrees. Can you see how it all fits together now? This method shows a unique way to approach geometric problems using parallel lines and angles. By adding that third parallel line in red, we unlock the solution without needing to measure angle alpha directly. In conclusion, while ChatGPT-4 made an error, we found through our geometric reasoning that angle alpha is indeed 155 degrees, matching our initial measurement. Remember, exploring different methods to solve a problem can give you new insights and make learning geometry both challenging and fun. Subscribe to our channel, stay with us, and look forward to more exciting puzzles that highlight the amazing capabilities of both the human brain and artificial intelligence.